Deriving negative cubic quadruples from positive cubic quadruples. My motto? Plain honesty, simple truth, easy understanding. The joy of finding things out for yourself. Shown are the title slides of my last two uploads, where I pointed out that the 390 negative quadruples have been derived from the 975 positive quadruples due to Emeritus Professor Steve Dutch. Since no one has yet bothered to ask how, I will now try to explain for those who have yet to chance across the uploads and might just be sufficiently interested to want to know how. In the table are shown the first 6 rows of the positive quadruples as they appear in order in the Excel spreadsheet. In column G, row 2, we insert the formula equals bracket cell D2 minus cell C2 close bracket, all divided by cell D2 times the scalar 100, and drag paste it into all the G cells down the column to the bottom of the table of quadruples. Next, we block sort the columns A to G for column G, smallest to largest. We are looking for ratios in column G that are equal and highlighted red. Finding them is made easier by subtracting the cell contents of column G from the cell below it to give us 0 in column H. The contents of columns A, B, C and D are copied into the corresponding cells of columns M, N, O and P, where they are multiplied by the factors from the cell of column F, copied into the cells of column Q. The negative quadruple is then generated from the cell contents of columns M and N by copying manually into the cells of the corresponding columns R to X. Cell Y is just a confirmatory checksum, optional, and cell Z is the greatest common multiple of the 4 values in cells of column R, T, V and X, which are primitive if cell Z is equal to 1, or composite if cell Z is greater than 1, which are then reduced to a primitive by division by the greatest common multiple. We can repeat this process, making all necessary adjustments for columns DB, columns DA, columns CB, columns CA and columns BA. Finally, we combine all the sorts, reduce all composites to primitives and remove any resultant duplicates. The result? 390 primitive negative cubic quadruples, WWD. And the source of the large negative cubic quadruple, 27,745 cubed, equal to 25,761 cubed plus 21,364 cubed minus 17,640 cubed. Why, the 2 tables below. So contrary to the dictates of the number theorists, composites can be just as important as primitives in revealing unforeseen properties, as has just been demonstrated. Sometimes there is more going on than meets the eye.